Good morning, all to my viewers and my dear students. So let's start today's our next topic, that is accessory dog. Last class we discussed about that is the male reproductive system that consists of what the different part, that is the pair of testes and the accessory dog, accessory glands and external genitalia. So already we discussed the pair of testes. So today we discuss what the accessory dog. So let's knowing about that. So accessory duct includes the retitestis, vas efferentia, epididymis, and vas deferens. So these are the accessory duct. The duct system present in male reproductive system, and that are what? Retitestis, vas efferentia, and epididymis and vas deferens. So let's know about their position. Just a minute. Yes. So first is the first is the word, the first the retitestis. Retitestis, that means after the स्कर्टम दैट द टेस्टिस combined to the one layer that is called रेटी टेस्टिस. तो यहाँ क्या होता है रेटी टेस्टिस एंड रेटी टेस्टिस अगेन जॉइन टू फॉर्म द वर्ड भास एफरेंसिया. उसके बाद रेटी टेस्टिस के पास क्या होगा? दे हैव नेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स व्हेन द ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन of testis you see that, can you see that is called vas efferentia, and this reti testis vas efferentia connect to that epididymis, that connect to where? That connect to epididymis, that connect to epididymis here. So generally that is the accessory duct are present, retitestis, vas efferentia, epididymis as vas deferens, and the epididymis is connected with the word vas deferens. तो यहाँ तक आपका क्या रहेगा? duct system. So let's know about the how it is from. सेमिप्रस ट्यूब्यूल हैज ओपन टू द भास एफरेंसिया. तो मैं पहले बता रही थी कि टेस्टिस में क्या है? 250 नंबर्स ऑफ द कंपार्टमेंट है, एंड ईच कंपार्टमेंट हैविंग द टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स, एंड दिस टेस्टिकुलर लोब्यूल्स जॉइन टू द वन रीजन दैट इज कॉल्ड भास एफरेंसिया. इसको क्या कहेंगे? भास एफरेंसिया. एंड आफ्टर दिस भास एफरेंसिया जॉइंस विद द वर्ड रीटी टेस्टिस, so the रीटी टेस्टिस to join with the vas difference, to the epididymis, that is the एपिडायडेमिस के साथ ज्वाइन होगा, एंड देन द एपिडायडेमिस ज्वाइन टू द व्हाट? डॉक सिस्टम, भास डिफरेंस. तो ये गया आपका डॉक सिस्टम. इन एपिडायडेमिस फॉर्म स्टोर्स एंड फर्दर मैच्योरेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन द एपिडायडेमिस. तो एपिडायडेमिस से क्या होता है? वहां पे आपका स्टोर ऑफ द स्पर्म फॉर द फर्दर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ स्पर्म. Then epididymis leads to vas difference. तो मैं बता रही थी कि एपिडायडिम्स के बाद कौन लीड्स टू भास डिफरेंस. तो भास डिफरेंस ओपन्स इनटू द यूरेथ्रा. भास डिफरेंस कहाँ ओपन हुआ है? ओपन टू द यूरेथ्रा. तो यहाँ पे दिया है, देखिए हाउ द ओपन द भास डिफरेंस ओपन टू द यूरेथ्रा, and is the ejaculatory duct and urethra through the ejaculatory duct, they are the duct system. Urethra originates from the urinary bladder and extends through the penis to the external opening. तो ये जो urethra जो है आप लोग का यूरिनरी ब्लैडर से एक्सटेंड होके, दैट इज द ब्लैडर, इट इज द वर्ड द यूरिनरी ब्लैडर, फ्रॉम यूरिनरी ब्लैडर से एक्सटेंड होके दैट थ्रू द यूरेथ्रा, दैट इज द इजैकुलेटरी डक्ट देके दैट ओपन्स आउटसाइड द बॉडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सटर्नल ओपनिंग, और इसे कहते हैं दैट इज द डॉग सिस्टम. तो डॉग सिस्टम समझ में आया? डॉग सिस्टम स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द भास डिफरेंसिया, रीटी टेस्टिस, एपिडायडेमिस, देन भास डिफरेंस, देन उसके बाद क्या होगा? दैट इज द आपका ureters through the urethra, that is the outside of the body, that is the word, that is the ejaculatory duct, that is the duct system. Then after that, next part is the what? Accessory gland. What are the accessory glands present in human reproductive system? Let's knowing that. So general, the three glands is present, that include, that is pair of seminal vesicles. क्या present है? Seminal vesicle, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड एंड बल्बोयूथरल ग्लैंड. ये तीन ग्लैंड उसमें प्रेजेंट है इन द ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. द फर्स्ट इज द वर्ड accessory glands. So accessory glands include a pair of seminal vesicles. So these are the seminal vesicle question. Here is the word seminal vesicle. तो यहाँ पे देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में तीन glands present है. This is the seminal vesicles, and next is the prostate gland. Here is the word, next is the that prostate gland is here. Okay, and the bulbourethral gland, that is the urinary bladder, bar difference, and the ejaculatory rectums. Yes, here is the bulbourethral gland. तो ये देखिए आपका bulbourethral gland. So here are the three glands that join each other. देखिए आपस में join हुआ है. And these glands have some hereditary function in the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system में कुछ additional function करते हैं. So what is the function? You will be learn the next part. So generally these are the position of the what the accessory gland in the male reproductive system. Then another part is the what here is also the given the function the gland secrete the secretion is called seminal plasma ये तीनों gland मिलके एक secretion secrete करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं seminal plasma आता है एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन what is seminal plasma the glands the three glands combine to secrete one secretion that is called the word seminal plasma and what is the seminal plasma component it contains fructose calcium statin enzyme तो सेमिनल स्पर्म विद द सीमेन तो जनरली इसमें क्या क्या कंपोजिशन रहता है फ्रुक्टोज कैल्शियम एंड सम एंजाइम सेमिनल प्लाज्मा प्लस स्पर्म इज कॉल्ड सीमेन आता है क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज सीमेन इज द सीमेन किसे कहेंगे सेमिनल प्लाज्मा और स्पर्म दोनों मिक्स हो जाएंगे तो इन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम उसको क्या कहेंगे सीमेन So generally, after the puberty of millions of sperm mature every day, and each ejaculation contains 300 millions of sperm. तो एक ejaculation में कितना million sperm होता है 300 millions of sperm इस ejaculation का form. And generally, तो these are the seminal plasma ये जो secrete होता है from the accessory gland और accessory gland में seminal plasma composition ये है that is the fructose calcium and enzyme और ये seminal plasma जब sperm के साथ mix होते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं that is called सीमेन तो आता है क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज सीमेन दैट इज सीमेन मींस स्पर्म प्लस सेमिनल प्लाज्मा दैट इज कॉल्ड सीमेन और ये प्यूबर्टी एज में सिक्रेट होता है और इस सीमेन दैट इज कंसिस्ट 300 मिलियंस ऑफ स्पर्म उसमें 300 मिलियंस ऑफ स्पर्म रहता है तो ये गया आपका एक्सेसरी ग्लैंड then last part of the male reproductive system is the what external genitalia मतलब outside of the body that can be observed that is the external genitalia that is penis. The penis is the external genitalia or it is made of special tissues help in the erections of the penis to facilitate the insemination. तो ये external genital का काम क्या है? It helps in insemination. Insemination means removal of semen. What is insemination? The process of removal of semen from the male reproductive system is called the what? Insemination. That process is called the what? Insemination. तो ये गया आपका external genitalia. तो ये आपका रहा male reproductive part. So as today we learn the word the accessory duct. Accessory duct is present for the testes, vas efferentia, epididymis, vas efferens, and the positions of that vas efferentia. Then reproductive से साथ वो क्या होगा epididymis में connect होगा and epididymis connect to the word vas efferens and vas efferens से pair connected that is the word ureters and so the ureter to release outside that is the accessory duct is present urethra and urinary bladder and extend through the penis to external opening वहां तक होगा duct system तो यहाँ से लेके the starting from here to that thing that is the duct system and after that the accessory gland is present here what are the accessory gland present that is vesicles that is prostate gland and the bulbourethral gland and their positions I already told here what is the position and the bulbourethral glands also known as the Copper's gland this is called the what Copper's gland also known as that and this gland secretes the one secretion that is called seminal plasma and the composition of seminal plasma is the fructose, calcium and enzyme and when the seminal plasma including with the sperm that is called the semen and generally at the puberty age in cases of male hota hai that is the 14 years above that is the puberty age of the what in male and in that period they secrete the what that is the semen and that contain the millions of sperm the 300 millions of sperm each ejaculation then next part जो दिया है external genitalia में क्या होगा penis is the external genitalia and made of special tissues that is the help in the erection वो tissues की वजह से that erected their penis and facilitate the word insemination is removal of semen from the male reproductive system that is called insemination so today we learn the word that is the male reproductive system different part that is from testes for learn word that we a pair of testes then accessory duct and accessory gland and the external genitalia. So this is the male reproductive system. So next part we will learn about the what how the sperm formation in the male reproductive system by the process of spermatogenesis that will be learned in our next class. So thank you for watching my video. If you like just subscribe and share and comment and have a good day. Stay home. they said.